Algae growth in your pool can turn your crystal clear water into a green swamp, and nobody wants to swim in that. So, first, you gotta brush all the pool surfaces like crazy. Walls, floors, steps. Get rid of that slimy stuff before it spreads. Next, check your sanitizer levels, because if chlorine or whatever you use is too low, algae will throw a party. Don't forget to shock the pool occasionally to kill off any stubborn algae cells. Using algaecide can be a game changer too. Just follow the instructions and don't overdo it. Filters are your best friends here. Make sure they're clean and running properly, or else algae spores will just keep circulating. Skim the surface daily to get rid of debris that feeds algae. Keep an eye on pH levels, because if they're off, sanitizer won't work right. Lastly, maintain consistent pool circulation so chemicals spread evenly and algae doesn't find a cozy spot. One of the biggest mistakes people make with algae growth in pools is ignoring poor sanitizer levels. If your chlorine or bromine is too low, algae will grow like crazy, so always test and adjust. Another common issue is neglecting filter maintenance. Dirty filters don't clean water well, letting algae thrive. Clean or replace filters regularly to fix this. The third mistake is skipping surface brushing. Algae loves to stick around in the corners and on walls, so brushing is key to prevent buildup and keep your pool sparkling. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle pool problems like algae growth. It also gives contractors a chance to connect with homeowners who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.